like something that the Tin Man used on the Wizard of Oz.
I think it's
Speaker.
Oh yeah, that is a nice speaker.
there's your waffle maker now, bud, if you want a waffle. Flag, what I'm talking about on this one. Is that a pancake baker?
What is it? They don't have a tag?
This is the person right here that wants to eat with
We
the
can make a
flag,
small pancake.
Yeah, that one would.
How much is this?
$8.
$8. That's actually pretty cheap.
These glasses are pretty. I wonder how much these are. $65 for that set of 8. Rise and shine, it's breakfast time. We're gonna make a country breakfast pie this morning. So I'm unrolling this pie crust, it's just a refrigerated one. I'm gonna spray my pie plate and then we'll put the crust in. Okay, so we're just gonna put this into the pie plate. We don't have to pre-bake it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it in here. That way when I get the sausage done, we'll have this part ready for us over here. I've got the oven preheating to 375. I had it at 350, but we need it to be 375. Okay, got that ready. Okay, we've got our skillet heating up. We're gonna cook the sausage in here. The sausage is the only thing we have to cook first. We're gonna make an egg mixture while this is cooking, but it's gonna cook in the oven when we put everything into the pie crust. So yes, pie can be for breakfast, especially this one, country breakfast pie. You can use whatever sausage you want to use. I had some Jimmy Dean left over from when it was on sale during the holidays, so that's what we're using today. Okay, while this is cooking, we'll grab a bowl and start making our egg mixture. Have y'all ever had pie for breakfast? You haven't? You're getting it today. So we're putting 4 eggs in a bowl. Okay, we'll just whisk the eggs. And we're going to put in a cup of half and half. We'll stir that in. And just slide this over for a minute. We're going to chop a little bit of onion, and then I have some banana pepper right there. We only need about a quarter of this onion, so we'll wrap the rest up for something else. Still waking up this morning?
Yeah, still a little bit sleepy. If y'all don't know, I'm practicing reading the Bible right now.
Very good. We'll just slide this over here because it's pretty much done. Okay, we'll put in the onion.
What are you making?
A country breakfast pie. Okay, and you can use whatever kind of pepper you want to use, or leave it out if you want to leave it out. gonna do. Now we're gonna add some cheese, and you can do whatever kind of cheese you wanna do. We're gonna use pepper jack. We just need about a cup in here. And we're gonna put just a little bit of parsley and some salt and pepper. We're gonna put the sausage into the pie crust. The cold has returned, and we're trying to keep the fire going this morning.
Yeah, I just now woke up a few minutes ago. I got ready and took me a nice bath.
Yep. Now we pour the egg mixture over the top of the sausage. Spread it out. Okay, it's going in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. A few more minutes. Alright, we got the iron skillet cleaned. A lot of people ask me about this scrubber that I use on my skillets. This is a chainmail scrubber. It's made by Lodge for cast iron, so it doesn't scratch it up or anything whenever you scrub with it. It's got a silicone piece in the middle so you can bend it. It used to be, I guess maybe you could always get blue or red, but I used to only be able to find the blue ones. Sometimes Walmart carries them. Just type in Lodge chainmail scrubber and it'll pull them up. Sometimes they have them in store, and sometimes you might, have to get them shipped, but they work really good for cleaning cast iron. They don't scratch them, don't mess up the seasoning, and they're really easy to clean because of all the holes and all. I got this one from Nora Mill Greenery. They carry a lot of Lodge stuff, so they have them there. Probably most places that do carry Lodge items will have these. And there's some Lodge stores. I'm pretty sure, is it in Pigeon Forge that there's a Lodge store? Or it might be Gatlinburg. Seems like it's somewhere in the Smokies, but anyway, that's where you can find them. Amazon probably has them too. Now I gotta wash it again. country breakfast pie. It's really good. It'll definitely get you ready for the day.